Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back. Hopefully you're having a great day. If you've been enjoying these videos, please do subscribe to the channel. So we have two coins to share with you today. They are both from India. They are 3 years apart, but they're actually made out of different metal contents. So the one on the left is the older of the two. It's dated 1966. The date's right down there at the bottom. That series was made from 1964 up until 1967. Its metal content is a copper nickel. Now the one on the right was made from 1968 until 1971. It has a metal content of nickel brass. So that's why these two coins look so different. Let's start explaining the one on the left, and then we'll explain the one on the right. Now on the reverse, they have very similar designs to them. So the reverse features the denomination with the date below. Now as you can see, there's some lettering going around the outside, which has to do with India, and I'm not sure the exact translation. But so we've got the face value of the coin, which is 10 paise right there. We have the date 1966 down here at the bottom, and then the mint mark right there. So there are three different mint marks that I'm aware of. There's the small dot / diamond indicating Mumbai. There's the no mint mark indicating Calcutta, the pointed star indicating Hyderabad, and the incuse dot in a diamond also indicates Hyderabad. So there's three different mint marks, but the lack of mint mark is actually one as well. So that's four different mints in total that produce these coins. So for the one on the left, its value is 10 paise. Actually, both of them are, which is abbreviated 0.1 INR. Its metal content is copper nickel. It has a weight of 4.9 grams, a diameter of 23 millimeters, and its shape, which makes it one of the more interesting characteristics of the coin, is scalloped. So that means it's got 8 different. This specific scallop design has 8 different notches, but they're kind of smooth going around the outside. This coin was demonetized June 30th, 2011. In fact, both of these were, so they switched over to a different currency officially June 30th, 2011. As far as the mintages go, the year 1966 has the highest mintage. So the one I've got right here has the highest mintage for this particular series. There were 326,990,000 of these produced in 1966. The one on the right, the 10 paise coin, that right there has some different mintages, but they're actually lower. I'll flip it over so you can see the design. We'll keep the designs the same, so might as well just show one front and one back. So the one on the left right there, that's showing the front. So that design is the Ayoshka lion on a pedestal. Very simple design. Now let's move this one out of the picture and start talking about this one. This one's a much cleaner. Probably has to do with the metal content. The metal content seems to have aged quite well when looking at this one. Its shape is the same scallop shape with 8 notches, same weight, different weight actually. This one is 4.3 grams versus the 4.9, just based on the fact that it has a different metal content to it. It's a nickel brass, which weighs a little bit less. As far as the mintages for these coins go, as far as the amount that were produced, that was produced in 68, 69, 70, and 71. The highest mintage was the last year that they produced them in 1971. There were 88,800,000 of them produced. The one I've got right here, 1969, there were 65 million of them produced. So not too many produced in 1969, especially compared to the earlier one that we're looking at, which is dated 1966, in which there are 326 million of them produced. Alright everyone, that's all I've got for today's video. If you're into coin collecting, please do check out some of the other videos on this channel. We're going to focus mostly on international coins, so if there's a specific coin you would like to see, feel free to let me know and I'll do my best to include it. Thank you very much everyone, and best of luck coin collecting out there. Enjoy!